So guys, you want to make sure that your Steam Deck has the Wi-Fi connected to it and that your Steam account is online. So once you're on our Steam Deck, you want to click on the Steam button right here. Now you want to go down to settings. Go down to internet and make sure you have your Wi-Fi enabled. So you want to enable your Wi-Fi. I'm not going to enable it because it's going to show my SSID, like my Wi-Fi details, but you want to enable Wi-Fi and you want to enter online mode. Once you enable your Wi-Fi, it's then going to allow you to enter online mode. So enable your Wi-Fi and you want to enter online mode. So you want to enable your Wi-Fi and you want to enter online mode. Once you do all of this, you can then launch GTA 5 and then it should be working for you. If it's still not working, make sure that your Steam Deck and your Steam account are both online. Now you want to restart your Steam Deck. So hold on the power button on the top and then click on restart and then click on restart again. Restart your Steam Deck, go back into Steam OS, then it should be working for you.